making a cookie. We're making a cookie skillet kit. Reese's Pieces, peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter chips. That took me a little bit to say. I gotta open it up first. I don't know how to open up packages. Currently, I'm sick right now. My dad's sleeping, and I'm sick right now, and he's sick right now, and we're sick right now. It's not sick. So we're gonna open up this Reese's cookie skillet kit made with Reese's peanut butter chips. It's not the same as the cookie episode that I did before. It's different, okay? I have different ideas, of course. Got this for Christmas. You see in the Christmas video. Like, you might have saw that a little bit ago. If you didn't, check up in the card in the corner. So these are the peanut butter chip things that come with it. You get peanut butter chips and you get chocolate chips. Alright, so your first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now you've done that. So as you're preheating, you gotta combine cookie mix with the chips and the other chips in a bowl. So get a bowl and then combine. And yeah, after a big, huge explosion, you got your stuff. So next you need to spread it into the skillet. But it says here, wash and dry the skillet. Use soap and a scrub brush to completely scour it. Got my scrub brush and my soap. Let's do this, gamers. The process has been finished. Now it says to lightly coat the skillet inside and out with vegetable oil. Olives are vegetables. Place the skillet in the oven. Let the oil bake into its surface for 2 hours. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:02 p.m.
It's 8:02 p.m. 2 hours. Let the 2 hours begin. 2 hours. I mean... Alright, so after all that 2 hours, it was 2 hours for me. For you, it was like nothing. You need to suffer like I did. So now we gotta wait for this to cool, too. God. Alright, so we're dry now. The pan is dry. Everything's dry. It's alright, I guess. So now that we've done that, into the seasoned and buttered cast iron skillet. I am so dumb. Of course I need egg for the cookie. What? What was I thinking? So basically I'm dumb and you should never trust me. Guys, you don't even have softened butter. See, that's how mad I am right now. This is the second fail of the Cooking with Collin episodes. How can I make up for myself in this video? I got no freaking clue. That was Cooking with Collin, where I taught you how to completely ruin your Reese's cookie skillet kit. Hey, Vsauce! Collin here. Why? Okay guys, it's December the 28th and I'm looking for butter. Now that's some nice butter. Okay, we bought the butter. We're gonna go try making the Reese's cookie mix again. I kinda really hope this works. I got the butter! So now I've got my butter. And the mix. So now we just need to do that thing all over again. Started rebaking it. I'm gonna get these out, do all that stuff. Now you're gonna wanna grab your bowl, grab the mix, pour out all the mix, and then grab egg, grab your butter, soften it. 20 seconds. And now you've got your mix. And now you are ready to now you've done that. That was supposed to be way cooler than it was. Now you're gonna add your chocolate chips and your peanut butter chips and just fold them in. So now you're gonna want to spread this into the seasoned and buttered pan. So anyways, after you have finished that, all you want to do is put this in the thing. 8 to 10. 8 to 10. So now let's wait 9 minutes.